Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I hope you are fine. I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. So, how did you spend your Eid and Ramzan? Did you spend a good time with your family? Yes, I hope you all have spent a good time with your family during Eid. You have visited all the relatives and you have got so many Eid also. And I hope all you are safe and your family is also safe at your home. You have also taken the all precautions against corona and follows all SOPs. So students, you all have spent your holidays of Ramzan and Eid. So back to the work. Now I'm not feeling today. I'm not feeling well today. That's why my voice is getting so heavy. So what we are doing, we are going to do the revision of the today's our science period, and we are going to do the revision of our last chapter, electricity. Okay, students. As you I have told you that we have discussed about the electricity so much, but today I'm going to just give you the revision that electricity. You know what is electricity? Electricity is a type of energy, okay, which is produced from the other types of energy like coal, gas, oil, heat, light, wind, or falling water. With the help of these, we produce electricity. Most of the electricity is produced in one country is by using uh, water or heat. We can also produce by electricity by using sunlight. Okay, students. So electricity is the basic needs of today, because without electricity, we will not able to use anything of the home. Okay, for reading, writing, even if I am using computer and you are watching me at your mobile or computer, it is all because of electricity. If there is no electricity, we will not be able to use anything of it. Okay, so electricities are of two types. These are main electricity and the battery. Okay, with the things we use in our home or in offices or in anything hospitals, there are two types of things that use main electricity, and another is batteries. Okay, I have explained you that main electricity is electricity which we get from the power station through wires. Okay, can you see? You can see in this picture. We can have the poles like this. Through this, electricity is transferred to the homes through the wires. You can open the page number 50 of your books, 50 and 51. Today we are going to read about 50 and 51, and you all have to read this at your home. I will give you the work related to it. You have to do it by yourself, and you have to read the page number 52 and 53 from your home. That will be your homework. Then I will explain it. I will ask you and give the questions or any activity related to it. Okay, main electricity is the electricity that we get from the power station. Power station is a that place where the electricity is produced. Okay, and that is transferred to the other homes and anything that need electricity. Even electricity is needed at every place. Okay, हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अगर थोड़ी देर के लिए लाइट भी चली जाए, we got so much tense, we got so much stressed, we will become so much, भाई कितनी गर्मी लग रही है, what we will do now. So electricity is basic needs of our life. Okay, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्रॉम ए स्टेशन इज नॉन एज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मैन इससे आती है पावर स्टेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड लैंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. द वायर्स कैरी अ लॉट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. These wires have a lot of electricity. We should be so much conscious or take so much precautions while of touching it by wet hands or anything else, or if it is rainy weather, we should not go towards these wires. Okay, so be careful during, especially in rainy seasons. Okay, man electricity they have carry enough electricity to power, yani these wires have enough electricity that we can work the electrical appliances in homes, offices, factories and other places. Okay students, you all have to read properly, because it is not necessary. I am telling you again, you have to clear your concept. It is not necessary the questions or blank should be according to your copy. It can come from your book. If you have read the chapter properly, you have understood the chapter properly, you can easily solve it or answer the question or fill in the blanks. Okay, so I have told you about the man electricity, that it comes from a power station. It is the electricity from a power station is known as man electricity. It is carried through the wires and it carries a lot of electricity. There's enough electricity to operate all the electric appliances of homes, offices, factories and other plants. Means they have shown in the picture also the light that are turned on for a long time on the streets or stadium, that is all because of man electricity. Okay, that is because of man electricity. So coming to the next page, we have already understand what is man electricity. Now we are moving to the next page, page number 51. Okay, batteries. You have seen the batteries. Mostly we have seen in the that batteries is a small cells which stores a small amount of electricity. The places where we cannot use the main electricity, then there we can use batteries. For example, if we are using a torch, we don't have any wire to attach to a main electricity. We use batteries for it to operate the torches. Okay. In the same way, if we are using a toy, if we are operating the television and we are using a remote, that also uses batteries. Okay, there are so many in our homes. The example is also mobile, where we are carried in any place, that also uses a battery which we charge with a charger at our home or any other place through a charger. Charger is placed by the main electricity, but the battery goes charge a small amount of electricity. When it has finished, when you are using a mobile and its batteries go down, you get charged from the by the charger. Okay. In the same way, when the battery we are using, you have to charge it to get it enough electricity. Okay, so see, there are many things in our homes and many other places that uses a battery. Okay, there are many resources also. When there is no light, we are using a batteries also to operate a light for a few hours. Okay, that we can able to operate a fan also. Okay, so students, we have learned about the mans and batteries, the things which produce lights by using a man's electricity and the batteries. There are some safety measures also. I have told you, we have discussed in detail that we should not touch any electrical objects, and when given a switch, we should be careful. We should not put fingers or any other objects in it. Okay, we should not, and we should not allow you should not be careful, and you should not allow your youngest brother and sister to play with the electrical cords, wires or switches. Okay, never put electrical appliance near water, and we should not keep any blender or any appliance which work with electricity near water, because it can go, you can get electrical shock. Sometimes it happens that when we on the during the when we open the on the switch of the we are going to any room or any washroom, we are using a wet hand, we can sometimes we got also a electrical shock. Electricity is so much dangerous, students, so we should be very careful about it. It can result in death also. So be careful, students, and don't go near electric sockets, electric wires. Don't touch with it wet hands, and take care of yourself and your family members also. Okay. Stay away from electrical wires and equipment outside. I have told you that the electrical booths or electrical poles which are on the roads, you should be very careful during, especially during the rainy season. If it is raining, you should be away from it and you should not touch it. Okay, because of it getting wet, the current for travels through all the poles and it can be dangerous. We have, I think you have also watched many people died during this season. By which? By only touching or getting electrical shock. Okay, students? So please take good care of yourself about this electricity, and stay away from it. That was the revision of this chapter. Now take out your copies. Now what you have